Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to download Hellenic Bank application on your Android device. If you'd like to get access to your online banking account right from your mobile device, you can either do this on a web browser or you can also download the application on your Android phone. Keep watching the video till the end in order to learn how, and subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, don't forget to press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by going to your Play Store and tap it on. Now search for Hellenic Bank and then make your search. Once you do that, on the next page, right where the search result is displayed according to your search, you'll be able to see an install button right beside the bank application. Tap on the install button in green in order to begin your downloading process. While downloading your application, make sure you're connected to a strong internet so that you can download your application faster. Once the download is done, wait until it installs on your device. Soon after it is installed, you'll be able to see an open button popping up in green right beside the app. Tap on the open button to launch the app open. That is how you'll be able to download Hellenic Bank mobile application on your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, you can go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.